Hi guys, this is Sajna Binil and welcome to the Business Analysis Guide. In this video, we'll talk about some of the common mistakes made by business analysts while writing user stories. So one of the frequent mistakes that BAs make is they try to combine several flows into one user story and they end up writing an epic. So one quick hack in which you can identify if your user story is having too many flows is try to see that your user story is not having too many conjunctions. If a user story is having too many conjunction, it means it's trying to combine several flows together. Let's take a look at a user story which is confusing. So in this user story, which is given below, it is written, as a loan applicant, I need to select the loan type and enter personal and loan information in order to submit an application for loan. Now, if you read this user story, you can quickly tell that this user story does not have enough information for the technical team to take it to implementation. Why? Because the BA has combined too many flows in this user story. What the BA intends to say here is when the user comes to the loan information screen, he has to select a loan type. Based on the loan type that he selected, he is shown a loan application screen. In the loan application screen, he has to enter his personal and loan information, after which an EMI is computed based on the information he provides to the system. Now, after viewing the EMI, the user has an option to submit the loan application or quit the flow. But that meaning is not coming out from this user story. So let's try and split this user story into three simple user stories. User story 1. As a loan applicant, I need to select loan type in the loan information screen so that I can view loan application screen, which is relevant to the type of loan selected. User story 2. As a loan applicant, I need to enter personal and loan data in the loan application screen so that I can view EMI for the loan based on the information entered. User story 3. As a loan applicant, I need to submit data in the loan application screen so that I can place a request for the loan with the bank. So now you see, when you split this user story into three simple user story, it becomes relatively easy for your technical team to understand the overall flow of the application. So the key to write effective user story is to keep it simple and do not overly complicate it. Another important point to keep in mind is that avoid using delimiters like unless, without. These delimiters also complicate user stories. So let's look at an user story with a delimiter. Take a look at this user story below. As a banker, I can approve loan application for a customer unless the customer has bad credit so that I can increase the customer base. Now, this is relatively confusing. Instead of this, I can write two user stories. As a banker, I can approve the loan application for a customer with good credit so that I can increase the customer base. User story 2, as a banker, I can deny the loan application for a customer with bad credit so that I can protect our customer base. Simple, isn't it? So to summarize this video, whenever you're writing a user story, keep it simple. Do not use conjunctions. Do not use delimiters like unless, except, without. And do not combine several flows into one single user story, or you'll end up writing an epic. If you like this video, drop us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.